Let's begin by introducing a man who's given substantial thought to the future of finance and artificial intelligence. His name is Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan. Dimon envisions a future where AI is not a disruptor, but a catalyst for progress in finance. He sees a world where AI is integrated seamlessly into every financial process, decision, and aspect of the industry. Today we're going to delve into his insights on the transformative power of AI in finance. Why should you care about AI in finance? Well, AI is already revolutionizing the way we approach equity hedging, generating innovative financial strategies, and even understanding complex language models. These applications are just the tip of the iceberg. The future of finance as we know it is changing thanks to AI. As we move forward, it's important to realize that this integration will not come without its challenges. There may be individuals who struggle to adapt, roles that become obsolete, new risks that present themselves. But, in the eyes of visionaries like Dimon, these are just stepping stones on the path to progress. Remember, this is not just about the technology itself, but the people using it, the lives it impacts, and the society it helps shape. AI is more than just a tool, it's a force for change, a catalyst for progress, and a beacon of hope for a brighter future in finance. Together, let's not just predict the future, let's shape it. Let's delve into what's possible when we dare to dream about a future where AI and finance are seamlessly integrated. JP Morgan, one of the world's leading financial institutions, is already harnessing the power of AI in remarkable ways. The bank is leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline its operations, enhance decision-making, and deliver better services to its clients. Let's delve into some of the specific areas where AI is making a profound impact. One such area is equity hedging. By using sophisticated AI algorithms, JP Morgan can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, predict market trends, and make informed decisions about their equity portfolio. This not only reduces the risk of losses, but also maximizes the potential for profits. Moving on, AI is also playing a pivotal role in idea generation at JP Morgan. Imagine a system that can sift through countless financial reports, news articles, and market data, extracting valuable insights and generating innovative ideas. That's exactly what AI is doing. It's like having a supercharged brainstorming session at the speed of light. Now let's talk about large language models. These AI models are capable of understanding and generating human language. At JP Morgan, they are utilized to automate customer service, analyze legal documents, and even draft reports. This drastically cuts down the time spent on routine tasks, allowing employees to focus on more complex, value-added activities. Importantly, these applications of AI are not just theoretical. They are already being implemented, driving efficiency and opening up new possibilities for the financial giant. JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon firmly believes that AI has the potential to revolutionize every aspect of the financial industry, and the examples we've discussed are just the tip of the iceberg. As we can see, AI is not just a future concept at JP Morgan, it's a present reality. And with its transformative power, AI is poised to redefine the landscape of finance and beyond. Every technological advancement comes with a trade-off. In the case of AI, it's the displacement of certain jobs. This might sound like a bleak prospect, but let's explore this a little further. Jamie Dimon, the CEO of JP Morgan, acknowledges this reality of job displacement brought about by AI. But rather than viewing it as a catastrophe, he sees it as a natural part of progress. It's not the first time we've faced such a transition. Remember when the invention of automobiles led to the decline of horse-drawn carriages, or when digital photography rendered film development almost obsolete. The same principle applies here. As AI becomes more prevalent, certain jobs may become less relevant. But that's not the end of the story. Dimon believes in the positive impact of AI on the workforce and society. He sees the potential for AI to revolutionize every aspect of the financial industry, from equity hedging and idea generation to large language models. This could lead to new job opportunities, ones that we may not even have imagined yet. But what about those who are directly affected by this transition? JP Morgan has a plan for that too. The company is committed to supporting its employees during this shift. They are not merely left to fend for themselves, but are given opportunities to be redeployed within the company. This could be in local branches or in different functions. It's about adapting to the change, not resisting it. The key here is preparation and adaptability. Yes, the rise of AI may lead to job displacement, but it can also open up new avenues, create new roles, and transform industries for the better. It's a shift, not a shutdown. While job displacement is a concern, proactive measures like those at JP Morgan can help navigate this transition. So, as we look to the future, let's not fear the change. Let's embrace it, adapt to it, and make it work for us. Because that's how progress happens. As we venture deeper into the AI era, the need for legal safeguards to prevent misuse becomes paramount. Just as with any powerful tool, artificial intelligence can be a force for good or ill, depending on who wields it and how. Jamie Dimon, the forward-thinking CEO of JP Morgan, is adamant about the necessity of these safeguards. The misuse of AI could lead to a myriad of problems, from privacy breaches to job displacement, and even more dystopian scenarios. The very nature of AI, its ability to learn, adapt, and make decisions, makes these risks all the more serious. For instance, imagine AI systems making credit decisions based on biased data, leading to unfair outcomes. Or consider autonomous weapons being exploited by malicious actors. This is why Dimon emphasizes the importance of regulations. Regulatory bodies need to ensure that AI is used responsibly, that privacy is respected, and that there are checks and balances in place to prevent misuse. This includes transparency about how AI systems make decisions, and accountability for those decisions. Dimon's sentiments echo those of many experts who believe that ethical considerations and legal protections need to keep pace with technological advancements in AI. As we continue to integrate AI into industries like finance, these safeguards will become increasingly important. In the end, artificial intelligence is not inherently good or bad. Its impact depends on how we use it, how we control it, and how we mitigate its risks. As Dimon rightly points out, this requires a comprehensive approach that includes not only technological innovation, but also thoughtful regulation and oversight. The potential of AI is vast, but so are the responsibilities that come with it. Despite the hurdles and concerns, the prospect of AI's positive influence on the workforce and society is promising. We stand on the threshold of a new epoch, where artificial intelligence is no longer merely a tool, but a catalyst for innovation and change. Consider the financial sector. Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan's CEO, staunchly supports the potential of AI to overhaul every facet of his industry. From equity hedging and idea generation to large language models, artificial intelligence is redefining the financial landscape. This transition is not without its obstacles, of course, but the transformative potential of AI cannot be contested. Some may argue that this transformation incurs a cost, such as job displacement. However, Dimon sees this as an inevitable part of technological advancement. Yes, AI could replace specific jobs, but it will also generate new ones that we cannot even foresee. Furthermore, JP Morgan is dedicated to assisting its employees during this shift. Those who might be impacted by the deployment of AI can be reassigned to local branches or different roles within the organization. This strategy underlines the company's commitment to its workforce, as well as its forward-thinking mindset. However, let's not overlook the fact that the transformative power of AI is not confined to the financial sector. Its influence is evident in healthcare, education, entertainment, and many other industries. As we continue to exploit this technology, we are not merely altering industries, but society as a whole. The future of finance shaped by AI is not just a vision, it's a journey that we have already embarked upon. Let's welcome this transformation and the opportunities it offers. After all, the future is not simply something that happens to us, it is something we construct. The future of finance, shaped by AI. As we wrap up this enlightening journey through the transformative power of AI, we want to take a moment to acknowledge you, our audience. Your active participation in this discussion is what fuels our content. So, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest insights. In our next series, we plan to delve deeper into each industry that AI is revolutionizing, starting with healthcare. We'll explore how AI is improving patient care, streamlining administrative tasks, and even aiding in groundbreaking research for treatments and cures. So, what are your thoughts on the future of AI in finance and other sectors? Do you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover? Leave your comments below. We are excited to continue this conversation with you. Remember, the future is not something that simply happens to us. It's something we actively construct. So let's continue to explore, question, and understand the world of AI together. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting discussions on the future shaped by AI.